This example will show how multitasking works in Juliet and Romeo. Tasks can be instantiated with a number of things where two are required: the name and the function to run. The third argument is the priority, and the default value, if omitted, is 50. Priorities are numbered from 1 to 98, and they specify the importance of the task only relative to other tasks. The scheduling algorithm is trying to be fair so that no task gets starved. The fourth argument is an exit function that will run after the thread has finished executing its function. The default is a nothing value, and hence nothing is run. Romeo is designed as a reactive system, meaning that most tasks will be waiting for some kind of event. For example, socket communication, timers, I/O pins, a movement, etc. So in a real system, no task is running until something happens. When a task is scheduled, it's scheduled with a local storage, which can be given as an argument, and its default value is an empty dictionary. There is also a schedule function that takes an execution mode as argument, and tasks can be executed cyclically, which means they will restart after finish and not end execution. Here we also use a timer in the main function, which is scheduled as a task with default priority. Now we run the program. And as can be seen, the tasks get different execution times depending on priority. Adding a fifth task, we also specify the exit function. This can be used, for example, to clean up and close sockets or files. And as can be seen, task 5 tried to do some cleanup. That's all, folks.